The title of this chapter, On the Necessity of Ignoring Those Who Offer Themselves as Examples. It's a curious title. It leaves me with the question of what exactly is this title trying to do? What is it setting us up for as readers? Is this saying, don't listen to the people in this book? Is it somehow saying, be selective about what you take? On the necessity of ignoring those who offer themselves as examples. So part of the problem here is every author is offering themselves as an example here. They say, this is what works for me. I don't know what'll work for you. This is what worked for me. Maybe it'll help. Is Cohen offering himself as an example? Or by recycling things that he wrote in the past, is that an attempt to avoid offering himself as an example in some way? And if so, how? How does that? How do those two lead to each other? Or is this a dig at the other authors in the book? Is it, since the point of this book is that each author tells you how they write as an individual, how he or she is doing it, right? Hence we get the title, How We Write. That every single one of these authors, in theory, is offering themselves as an example, as some sort of pilot that you can follow through this kind of darkness of the writing process. So what is this title doing? Is it kind of unconsciously arguing against itself? Is Cohen actually offering himself as an example, especially with this kind of like, I have these strict routines that I follow. I get up in the morning, I do all of my work, I do bike rides. Very kind of idyllic work schedule. It's also rather boring. So does the title kind of contradict what he's doing, or does it support it? And how does it contradict it, and how does it support it, are a couple of things that I'm curious about. So try to untangle some of what's going on with the title and see where we can fall on what exactly Cohen's doing, or even accidentally or intentionally.